What's the meaning of chamois leather? Chamois leather. Chamois leather.
Chamois leather. Chamois leather. Chamois leather is a type of soft and flexible leather that is made from the hide of the chamois, a goat antelope found in mountainous regions of Europe. The leather is prized for its gentle texture and absorbent qualities, making it ideal for cleaning and drying surfaces without leaving any streaks or scratches. Chamois leather is commonly used for cleaning and polishing cars, windows, and musical instruments. It is also sometimes used in clothing and accessories because of its softness and durability. Overall, chamois leather is a versatile material with many practical applications.